Good morning and Jai Hind everyone. Yesterday we were studying about the inverse of square matrices and yes, practice on the questions of three order matrices and two order matrices by using elementary row operation. Now from today we that means trying to solve the same question, okay, by using elementary column operation. Same question by using elementary column operation, and just check it how you find the inverse of the matrix by using elementary column operation. Okay, note yes, first question. Yes, first you write the question. Find the inverse of A by using elementary column operation. By using elementary column operation. And your first question is A matrix is equal to, here you write 2 1 5 3, 2 1 5 3, and you have to find the value of A inverse by using elementary column operation. So how you find it? In case of elementary row operation, you take A is equal to IA. But in case of elementary column operation, here you take A is equal to AI. A is equal to AI, and yes, putting the value 2153 and is equal to A into identity matrix 1001. 1001. Understand? So in this way, here you take the elements. Now, what you do? Actually, in case of elementary row operation, you generally in the most of the question, first you trying to form the matrix in the left side and whose elements as the element of identity matrix. You trying to convert it. Okay. So first of all, you're trying to convert a column, and then last column is from bottom to top, okay. But in case of elementary column operation, you trying to that means for the elements row wise as the element of identity matrix. So first you're trying to make the element of identity matrix as this one, 2, then you go to this one first row, and then in last row you trying to make it as from this one last element to this side, means in opposite direction, last row in opposite direction. Understand? So in this way, if you trying to make it as the element of identity matrix, so it may be generally the possibility is that there is no any overlapping in the sense the element which you already formed as the element of identity matrix is not disturbed, okay. So just see it, if you make it this element as a 1, so here you see that this 5 is greater than 2. So first of all you interchange it. So how you interchange? So that operation is taken as C1 interchange. Yes, C1 interchange to C2. If C1 is interchanged to C2, so in this case you can write 3 5 2 1, 3 5 2 1, and A, and here you write 0 1 1 0, 0 1 1 0. Understand? So in this way you can write it. But here one thing, actually here you have a flow to form the practice. You here solve so many questions based on elementary row operation. So I think it be that means if you applying it, you feel some awkward, but you have to practice on such type of questions also. Understand? Here you see that here you have 5. Understand? So this 5 is to be converted into 1. So your operation is C1 is replaced by, yes, C1 is replaced by C1 minus 2 times of C2. 2 times of C2. Just check it what you have in this case. So here you have 1, and here you have 2 times of C1 minus 2 times of C2. So here you have 1 and 2, 1. In the same way, you can applying the same operation on right side also. So just applying it. So here you have minus 2 and here you have 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. So that is, so here you see that yes, this element is completed 1. Now in place of 2, there it should be 0. Okay. So how it becomes 0? Yes, C2 replaced by C2 minus 2 times of C1. So applying it in this way. So right, C2 replaced by C2 minus 2 times of C1. Uh, in a question, you can applying only one, that means operation, either row operation or elementary column operation. It's your choice. But if you choose any operation, you have to that means take only that operation throughout the question. Okay. So C2 is replaced by C2 minus 2 times of C1. So here you write first column as it is. Now here you have 0 and 2 times, and here you applying C2 minus 2 times of C1. So here you have minus 1 and is equal to A into yes, same operation you have to do in right side also. So just check it 2 times. So if you multiplying here 2, it becomes 4 minus 4, and here you have 5. Here you have 5 and here you have minus 2, minus 2. Understand? So that is minus 2. Here you have minus 2. Okay. So here you see that your first row is completed 1 and here you have 0. Now you have to form the element like that from in let with last row from last element to that is in this way first element. Understand? So at this place here you have what? 1. Here you have 1. So what you do? You have to change its sign. So what you write? Change the sign of what? C2. So you can write C2 replaced by minus times of C2. So here you have 1, 1, 0, 1, and A. Here you have minus 2, 1, and minus 5, 2. Minus 5, 2. Now just see. Here you have 1. Now at this element you have 0. So what you do? Yes, C1 replaced by C1 minus C2. C1 minus C2. So here you have 1, here you have 0, 0 and 1. And in the same way, on right side, C1 minus C2. So here you have 3, here you have minus 1 and minus 5, 2. And that gives the value of A inverse. That gives the value of A inverse. So write it. So A inverse is equal to 3 minus 1 minus 5 and 2. 3 minus 1 minus 5 and 2. So in this way, you applying elementary column operation. So actually here you have you solved here so many questions based on elementary row operation. So your practice is that is completely done. Hai na? So that means mind is set. Oh, you have to take the element likewise in this way. But if you that means applying here a new operation, that means column operation. So in few questions, that means in one or two questions you feel some difficulty. But if the practice you have practice more question on that, so it becomes easy for you. Okay, so note it, and just I give you other question. You trying to solve it and told me what is your answer, but you have to applying only elementary column operation. Okay, done beta हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. चलो next question. And yesterday I shared a question based on elementary row operation of order 3. uh, Which question is not matched yesterday. I shared it on your group. Please note it. Okay, are you see that question on your group? I shared it. Yes. If not, you check it. That is your question. I think last question which I given to you. Okay. So note it. Yes, by using elementary column operation, find the value 2, 1, and here you have -6, -2. Yes, trying to solve it by using elementary column operation. Elementary column operation, trying to solve it. So here you can also write A is equal to AI 2, 1, -6, -2, and A into identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. Now, here you see, actually here you have 1, but by using elementary operation, it is not converted into 1. So what you do in this case? So you skip the element. Yes, first you make it as 0. Here you have 0. That means -6 is to be converted into 0. So first you make it. Okay. So it can be converted into 0 when you applying operation C2 replaced by C2 plus 3 times of C1. C2 plus 3 times of C1. Here you applying this operation. So first column you have to write as it is. Here you multiplying by 3 and add it to C1. That means C2. So here you have 0. Here you multiplying by 3 and add it. So here you have 1. In the same way, A into, here you write 1, 0. Here 3 and 1. So in this way, here you have the result. Here you have 1. Okay. Now, this is to be converted into 1, but you have to applying elementary column operation only. So here you see that here you have 0, so not possible to convert it as 1. So what you do? You have to divide it by 2. So write it. So C1 replaced by 1 upon 2 C1. C1 replaced by 1 upon 2 C1. And what is your result? Just check it. So here you have 1. Here you have 1 by 2. Here you have 1 upon 2 and 0, 1. In the same way, on right side, you have 1 by 2 and 0. And here you can write 3, 1. 3, 1. Now just see. So the first element, first row can be completed. And in second row, here you have 1. So it be, here it is given. Yes, it is 1. And at the place of 1 by 2, what you have? Here you have to make it as 0. So how it make it as 0? So yes, applying operation to become this 1 by 2 as 0. So you can write it in this way. C1 replaced by C1 minus 1 upon 2 times of C2. 1 upon 2 times of C2. Yes, you can applying the operation like that. C1 is replaced by C1 minus 1 upon 2 times of C2. No doubt here you have 1 and here you have 0 and 0, 1. And A into here,
-1.
yes, so here you have what? -1, write it, -1. And here you have
-1 by 2.
yes, -1 by 2 and 3, 1. So that gives the value of A inverse. That gives the value of A inverse. So write it. So A inverse is equal to -1 minus 1 upon 2, 3 and 1. So here you see that the that means inverse of any square matrix is unique. Means either you applying row operation or column operation, answer is same. If your answer is different from the answer given in your textbook, so check it your that means solution once. It be possible that either you make some wrong, that means in positive or negative sign, or you applying that means wrong operation over there. Wrong operation over there means what? Sometime you applying any operation, a wrong operation, and the element which you already make as the element of identity matrix is disturbed, but you are not that means write it correctly. Okay, you ignore that. So here you see that some of the portion is missing by you in that question. So check it once again, and no doubt you come to your conclusion. Understand? Okay. Practice, only you have to practice on such type of question. Now come to the equation which we based on three order matrix. And yes, trying to solve it by using elementary column operation. Just I given to you elementary column operation. Yes, that we asked in 2000 which 12. Okay, note it. A is equal to A matrix is equal to -1 1 3, -1 1 3, 1 2 1 and 2 3 1, 2 3 1. You have to find the value of A inverse by using elementary column operation. Yes, trying to solve elementary column operation. Same question is that which you already solved by using elementary row operation. Yes, applying it. Just you see the element here. You have 1 in second column. Okay, 1, and here you have -1. So you interchange it. If you interchange, yes, it be completed. Here you have -1 and here becomes 1. Okay, so in this way you can applying the result and trying to that has told me what is your solution in that question. So if you solve this one, so from tomorrow, we're trying to study determinant. Only you have to practice on such type of questions, and no doubt you know all the operation, how you applying it. Okay, so A is equal to AI, and minus 1, 1, 3, 1, 2, 1, and here you have 2, 3, 1 is equal to A into identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now, here you interchange C1 interchange to C2. C1 interchange to C2. So here you have 1, 2, 1, minus 1, 1, 3, and 2, 3, 1. And is equal to A into 0, 1, 0. Here you have 1, 0, 0, and 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1. So in this way, here you interchange. Now, this element is already 1 here. You have to make minus 1 as 0 and 2 as 0. Okay, so you applying it. So here you take operation C2 replaced by C2 plus C1, and C2, C3 is replaced by C3 minus 2 times of C1. 2 times of C1. You applying this operation here. So write it. So in first column, you have to write as it is 1, 2, 1. And in second column, here you adding C2 and C1. So here you have 0. Here you have 3. And here you have 4. And yes, 2 times of C1 is subtracted from C3. So here you have 0. Here minus 1. And that 1 is that. 1. Here you have 1. And is equal to A into, in first column you write as it is 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. In second column you add these two, so 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0. And in third column 0, here you have minus 2 and 1, 1. So in this way you complete your first row. Now for second row you have to make it from this one, in this way, from 2 to minus 1. Okay, so at the place of 2 you have to require here 0. Okay, sorry, yes, 0. So how you make it 0? You have to that means multiplying here by 2 and add it to C1. So yes, applying operation C1 replaced by C1 plus 2 times of C3. 2 times of C3. And for here you see that at the place of 3, 1 is needed. So what you do, C2 replaced by C2 plus 2 times of C3. So 2 times of C3. So in this way, here you have 1. Okay, yes, do it. So C1, here you have 1. Yes, 2 times of C3 and add it to C1, here you have 0. 2 times of C3 and add it, so here you have 3. Now for C2, 2 times of C3, question for C2 also, yes. Okay, so 0, here you have 1, and here you have 2. 2 or 6. So 0, 1, 6 is there. Okay, and third row, the column you have to write as it is. 0 minus 1, 1 into A into first row. Again, here you have 0. Yes, 2 times, so 4. So you can write minus 3, and here you have 2. Now for second, that means row column, here you can write 1, 2 2 ja 4, so write here minus 3, and here you can write 2, and 0 minus 2, 1. So in this way, here you have element, and just see, here you form 0, 1 and minus 1. So in place of minus 1, you have to make it as 0. So how it makes 0? Yes, adding C3 is replaced by C3 plus C2. Yes, do it. So C3 is replaced by C3 plus C2. So you have, yes, write first column as it is, 1 0 3. The second column 0 1 6, and here you have 0, here 0, and 7 into A 0 minus 3 2, and for second column you write 1 minus 3 and 2, and for third column what you write, yes, C2 is added to this one, so here you have 1 minus 5 and 3. 1 minus 5 3. Okay, now just see, here you complete your, that is second row. Okay, now for third row, this 7 is as 1. Okay, this 7 is as 1, but if you form it as 1, what is the, that is a problem. If you subtract, that is C3 minus C2, so here you see that yes, your this element is disturbed. That means you can't take this operation. Understand? If you subtract, that means 7 minus 6, you have 1. But if you applying that operation, C3 replaced by C3 minus C2, so here you see that this 0 element is disturbed. That's why you can't take this operation. No, search for other one. So if you multiplying here by 2 and add it to this one, again it is disturbed. Again it is disturbed. So what you do in that case? What you do in that case? Just check it. Or C3 replaced by C3 plus C2. Just check it. I think there is some mistake is there.
Sir,
Yes.
excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes.
In the third step.
Third step means 1, 2, 3. This one.
Yes, sir. In the row third, 1 4 minus 1, I think so. They will come.
Okay. No, why? That's why. If any of the mistake is going on, so the solution is disturbed, no? Okay, but in which in this way?
Yes, sir. 1 4 minus 1, I think so.
1 4 minus 1 is there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, just I check it.
Please check. Yes, sir. Please check.
Okay. So yes, C3 replaced by 2 times of C1. Yes. Minus 1 is there. Yes, beta. Minus 1 is there. So yes, correct it. If you have here minus 1, and here you are applying the operation C1 replaced by 2 times of C3, है ना? So just check it. Here you have 1, no doubt. Here you can write 0, and here if you multiplying it by 2 and add it to this one, you have minus 1. Correct it. Here you have minus 1. Now for second row, it is also incorrect. So here you have 0, here you have 1, and here you multiplying by 2 and add it to this one. So you have 2. You have 2 here. Understand? And yes, now this one is here you have 1. Already here you have 1. And you have to make it as 2 as 0. Now, yes, it'll be easy. Now do it. Okay. Now correct it. So here you have 1. Now you make 2 as 0 and minus 1 as 0. Okay. So just see how you that means use it by using elementary transformation. So just see. Yes, here you have 1, but if you applying any operation to make it as 0, multiplying by 2 and adding to this one, this element is disturbed. The problem is that. And yes, इधर करोगे तो ये डिस्टर्ब हो जा रहा है. ओके ओके, ये बन गया, ये बन गया. Oh, you have to make it this one as 0. So first you make it minus 1 as 0. So what you do? You have to add it. Yes, C3 replaced by C3 plus C2. Oh, C3 plus C2. So I think no one is disturbed. Okay, so make it C3 replaced by C3 plus C2. Yes, do it better. So you 1 0 minus 1. Here you have 0 1 2, and yes, here you have 0, here 0, and 3, and a 0 minus 3 2, 1 minus 3 2, and for this one you have 1 minus 5 and 3. 1 minus 5 3. You can write in this way. Now your second row is completed. Now come to third one. At the place of 3, here you have 1. Here you have 0, and here you have 0. So which operation you take that the element is also not disturbed? If you add it, this one disturbed. If you subtract it, so which operation here you take that here you have 1 and the other element which you already formed is not disturbed?
Sir, C1 to what is
C1 multiplying
it?
by
C1 plus 3 C3.
C1
C1 to C1 plus 3 C3.
First you make it as 0.
Yes, sir.
So if it is 0, okay, yes, do it. Yes, no problem, do it. So first you make this element as 0. Okay, then so if it is 0, the problem is again for the other element also. So just I match the result. Oh, again something is missing out. Some mistakes are going. See, here the questions are so lengthy now. There be and in board इधर उधर देखने में कहीं ना कहीं मिस्टेक हो ही जा रहा है. कायदे से लिख पा नहीं रहा है. कहीं मिस्टेक हो गया बेटा, साइन का फिर मिस्टेक हुआ है कहीं. चेक इट. 121034. Yes, it is correct. And C3. So check it, this element. Oh, here you have -1, na? Here you have -1. Check it. Here you have -1.
Yes, sir.
And then again applying. So if you adding C3 and C2, so here you have 0, here you have 1. Yes. Here you have 1. Now it is correct. चलो बेटा अब लगा लो, आ जाएगा. And yes, now adding C1 and C3, here you have 0. Actually the time is about to over, so only just I give you some hint, you trying to solve it. Okay, so